For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The Maharashtra government launched Project Platina. This is the world's largest convalescent plasma therapy trial-cum project in the treatment of severe COVID-19 patients. The project has received the necessary approvals from the government. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has allocated 16.85 crore rupees for the project. The funds were released through the CM Cares Fund. Convalescent plasma therapy is now being considered as a method for treatment of COVID-19 patients. The therapy will be used in the absence of definite treatment drugs. The trial will be carried out in 17 government medical colleges and 4 BMC medical colleges in 21 centers. All critical patients will receive 2 doses of 200 ml of convalescent plasma under the project. The donors are available in large numbers and have no weakness whatsoever after plasma donation, as RBC are returned back to the patients. The Platina trial will be the world's largest and will give robust data regarding the role of convalescent plasma in the treatment of COVID-19 patients. It will help us issue guidelines in the management of COVID pandemic. The state intends to save around 500 lives of critically ill COVID-19 patients. The government has said the plasma therapy treatment will be free of cost to all patients. Convalescent plasma therapy is one of the most important treatments of severe COVID-19 patients, said the Chief Minister's office. Plasma therapy uses antibodies from the blood of COVID-19 recovered patients. Plasma from the blood of people who have recovered from the infection is obtained. The plasma is then injected into patients undergoing treatment. The trial will be carried out at 21 centers across the state. All critical patients will receive 2 doses of 200 ml of convalescent plasma. The announcement came after Delhi announced plans for a plasma bank. The Health Ministry has appealed to all those who have recovered to donate plasma. Plasma therapy has been effective in treating several severe patients. Maharashtra is the worst affected state in the country. Maharashtra has reported over 1,65,000 cases of coronavirus.